I can't believe I fell for this. All this time, you were married, Daniel?
Wait, let me explain.
Forget me, Daniel. Just go back to your wife.
Jenny, please listen to me. It's not what you think.
Not what I think? Daniel, you lied to me. I would never have gotten close to you if I had known the truth. Look at what this has turned into.
I didn't expect this either, Jenny. I never meant for this to happen. I didn't expect to fall for you. You love me?
You love me? How could you even say that? I trusted you, Daniel. I thought we were building something real.
We were, Jenny. I never wanted to hurt you. I just didn't know how to handle it.
You should have told me the truth from the start, Daniel. You have a family. Did you even think about them?
I know I messed up. I should have been honest with you. But my feelings for you, they're real.
You were going to tell me when, Daniel? When it all fell apart. You were lying to both of us.
I didn't want to lose you.
Well, now you've lost me. Anyway, I refuse to be the other woman. That's not who I am.
Please, Jenny, don't walk away. Give me a chance to make things right.
Right? There's nothing right about this, Daniel. I was blindsided. You know, I didn't expect this from you. I thought you were different.
I am, Jenny. I made a mistake, a huge mistake. But I love you.
Love? How can I look at you the same way? I can't.
So, this is it? You are really leaving?
You left me no choice, Daniel. I don't want to destroy anyone's family. Goodbye.
Jenny, please just hear me out. I don't love her. My marriage, it was never like what we have.
Why is that? What makes me different, Daniel?
It's complicated. She was someone my family wanted me to be with. We were never really in love. We've been living separate lives for years now.
Then why stay? Why drag her along and then drag me into it, Daniel?
I don't know. I thought it was easier to just keep things the way they were. Until I met you, I didn't realize what I was missing.
So you wanted excitement? Something new? And you thought lying was the way to get it?
No, Jenny. It's not like that. You are not just something new. You are the first person who's made me feel alive in years.
But at what cost, Daniel? You broke my trust. And even if I wanted to believe you, what about her? You can't just throw people away because you're tired of them.
I know. It sounds awful. But I feel trapped. My marriage, it's empty. Just a shell. But with you, I've had hope again. A reason to change things.
Hope? How can I be your hope if you couldn't even be honest with me?
I was scared, Jenny. I thought if I told you, you'd leave me. And now I'm losing you anyway.
Yes, you are. But I'm hurt, too, Daniel. I loved you. And now I have to walk away from everything I thought we had. All because of your lies.
Jenny, don't go. I'll end things with her. I'll do whatever it takes to be with you.
I can't be the reason a family falls apart. And honestly, Daniel, I don't even know if I could trust you again.
Jenny, you are everything to me. I made a mistake. I need you.
I needed you to be honest with me. To be honest with your family. And you couldn't do that. Goodbye, Daniel.
Jenny, I'm so sorry. Forgive me.
Sorry doesn't change what you did, Daniel.
I know. I understand if you hate me right now. I didn't give you the respect you deserved. But I'll do whatever it takes to make this right.
But it doesn't erase the pain.
I know. I know. But please, just give me a chance.
I need time, Daniel. Time to process all of this. Time to think.
I'll wait, Jenny. However long it takes. I'm so sorry for everything. I just hope one day you might forgive me.
I don't know, Daniel. But I'll think about it.
Thank you. That's all I can ask for.